The path towards our glorious victory has been a journey of blood and brutality. All of it has been necessary. When the flag of our motherland flies atop the Reichstag, all of Berlin will know that the evil of the fascist Reich has been wiped from the face of the earth.
April 30th, 1945. When he first spoke of Dimitri, Reznov told tales of a hero. Someone we should all aspire to be like. At times, I have seen him show mercy, and at others act with complete brutality. I do not understand him. Perhaps heroes need not question their actions.
Steel yourselves, men, for the final push to victory. Today we crush what remains of their fascist life. As heroes, we will return to Russia's embrace.
Your motherland needs your final commitment! As that son of God defending this beauty will fight to their last breath, not the last remnants of resistance get in this like our flag will fly over the city! We must not falter!
Fire the punches, if buildings will be excelled, we could be killed! Then die with your hands around the throat of the enemy! Keep going! On your fire the passageway! Every strong point they can! Right flank! Get up on the boat! Reloading! Fire the passageway! They are bleeding! German reinforcements! All together, comrades! kill, comrades! They won't get you! You two! Get those doors open! Get them open now!
Push! Being held from the other side! I need help!
Go! Everyone, through the doors! Move forward! I can hear them! Come on!
We must be nearing the roof. Look how far we've come.
It should throw these animals over the edge!
Sergeant, our comrades from the rear echelon are flooding the building.
Bloody hard! What is that is that fire was so deep for the last time! Up there! On the balconies! Let them feast on our scraps. We should push them to victory! Keep them away from the flag! They have nowhere to go! They have nowhere to go! Move up! Clear a path for the flag! Claim our victory!
You always survive.
The honor should be yours.
As long as you live, the heart of this army can never be broken.
Things will change, my friend. As heroes, we will return to Russia's embrace.
This is solemn. General Eisenhower informs me that the forces of Germany have surrendered to the United Nations. The victory won in the West must now be won in the East. We are gathered here, representatives of the major warring powers, to conclude a solemn agreement whereby peace may be restored. It is my earnest hope, and indeed the hope of all mankind, that from this solemn occasion a better world shall emerge out of the blood and carnage of the past. A world founded upon faith and understanding. Of man and the fulfillment of his most cherished wish for freedom, tolerance, and justice.